Okay, so what's up traders? Lotus here. And it's been a while, no? Since nung nag-hiatus tayo ng konti when it comes to trading contents, no? And for this video, babawi tayo big time, no? Dito sa content na to. So, kung isa kang trader, I would highly recommend you na panoorin mo tong video na to, tapusin mo, and mag-participate ka sa konting pa-games natin. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang game? So, I want you to tell me kung ano yung drawing na gagawin ko. Okay? So, start na tayo right now. Alright. So, game. Okay, wait lang. Ayusin ko lang. Ba't ganito to? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, may idea na ba kayo kung ano to? So, kung magpa-participate ka dito sa game natin, pwede nyo naman siyang isipin sa utak nyo lang, no? Kung ano yung sa tingin yung drawing na gagawin ko. Okay? Okay, wait lang. Inom lang akong tubig. Okay. 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 So, how many of you got the right answer, no? So, what do we have here is a lobster, no? And ang tawag doon sa ginawa natin is Pictionary. No, when you say Pictionary, it's about yung parang may gagawin ka pa lang. For example, ito, siguro inisip nyo gulong, pizza, or itlog yung gagawin kong drawing. And then, nung ginawa ko na tong second circle na to or oblong na to, probably you have some confusions. And nung ginawa ko to, most of you probably inisip burat yung ginawa ko, but it's not. This is a lobster. Okay? And a lobster is ito yung color niya. Yeah, I think I got it right. So, paano natin siya i-relate sa trading, yung Pictionary? Okay? So, when it comes to trading, we should wait for the right picture or right patterns na inaantay natin. Because what we don't want to do is to predict the potential outcome of the pattern. And that's when ego plays out na rin kasi when we are trying to predict the potential outcome of the market. Okay? Instead of focusing dun sa future outcome of the market, we should master the current present moment. And mastering the present moment, living in the moment, the right now, is a very powerful mindset for a trader. Okay? So, kapag mag-aantay tayo ng setup natin, it should be very, very clear setup. Yung tipong sinasampal na sa'yo ni market yung setup na yon. Okay? And tulad nga ng ginawa ko kanina dito, no? Hindi nyo alam, wala pang picture, and then kayo naman, inassume nyo kaagad na burat, hindi naman talaga ganun yung actual na drawing nun, because this is a lobster. Okay? This is a clear lobster for me, no? In my perspective. Okay? So, yun yung lesson na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. You should wait for the clear picture before assuming something that you think present, no? Or, sorry, you should not assume, no? Something that is not there, and live in the current present and see the clear picture. And if it's not a clear lobster for you, what you have to do is not to take any action at all. Okay? And for me, since lobster yung nakikita ko, order block, imbalance, no, sweep ng liquidity, if it's clear for me, I will take action and I will bet that this is a lobster. Okay? So, kung meron ka ng enough experience bilang trader, kailangan yung mga setups talaga is parang sobrang dali na lang siyang ma-recognize in your eyes. Kasi kapag minsan, yung ego natin nagpe-play out na, and we are trying to predict the future, we are seeing something that is not there. Okay? Yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, probably some of you assume na burat yung kaninang nakadrawing dyan, but it's not. It's a lobster. Ito yung setup na inaantay natin. So, what you should do, no? What you should do is to wait for the clear, like dumb clear setup, no? Like, trading should be an effortless success. Okay? And if it's looks confusing for you, no? Kahit mukha pa siyang burat kanina, no? Pero kung hindi ka pa sure na burat nga talaga siya, you should not take an action kung burat man yung setup na inaantay mo, no? But for me, lobster yung setup na inaantay ko, and for me, in my perspective, ito yung setup na inaantay ko. So, I would bet on lobster. Okay? So, yun lang, guys. And sana, hindi tayo naligaw. Yung utak natin, nasa trading pa rin. Yeah.